I'll quickly explain. Probably you have seen this slide before, but it's very relevant to understand or recap this concept very quickly. This is the analogy of our brain. The brain has three layers: conscious mind, subconscious mind, and unconscious mind. And you could compare it with the analogy of a computer. Computer also have random access memory, processing area where you're working actively, and computer also have a hard drive which is equivalent to our subconscious mind, and computer also has an operating system. Now what happens when you're working on a computer? You are working in the active processing area, which is not a very large memory. It's called random access memory. But the way computer works, it retrieves file from your hard drive if required and send it back. Similarly, in our mind, in our brain, we have all the memories of our life, but we are not thinking them at the same time. Our mind, the way it works like a computer, if we need some memory files, the brain goes to subconscious, bring those files in the processing area and take it back, right? Unconscious mind is like the operating system. It's a genetic code. There are few things you could change. There are few things you cannot change. Some people are naturally smart, intelligent, hardworking. Some people are naturally different. The problem is that when we are matured adults like we are today, our hard drive is pretty much full. It is said that it's very easy for a young child to learn very fast because their memory files are empty. Their hard disk is empty. Processing area does not have much. Whatever you feed, it goes very well and plays over there. As an adult, you already have the memory files which are overflowing. Any new idea goes there, and a lot of memory files from your background, from the early part of life comes, and you start debating that, right? So learning becomes slower, or learning becomes more challenging as an adult. Now, what happens, or what experts tell us, that how to speed up your learning, that's what we are talking about, right? You need interventions. So in normal day-to-day life, probably you're learning very slowly. You need to create interventions. Intervention is that, for example, you go to executive MBA program and you spend some time very seriously outside, and you come back and you learn a lot in 6 months or 1 year, which you could have learned in several years. Similarly, specialized training programs, workshops, you go there and it creates some intervention. Related to that concept is also this is Daniel Goleman, the living legend on emotional intelligence. In our early part of life, for all our learning, we use left brain, which is rational and analytical, is process faster. All of your elementary school, secondary school, high school, college, university, you did not have much problem with the learning, right? You were a fast learner because you were using your left brain. The problem is, as a matured adult, your learning pattern changes. Now we are talking about the real life experiences. Your right brain or emotional brain has developed, and your memory files of the life experiences are full, and there is a lot of intervention. You cannot learn the same way as you learned out of your life. You need to give it more time. So I relate this back to the training and development of matured adults like people, you and me.